Ever wished you could tweak just one version of a Webflow symbol without altering the whole crowd? Today, you're about to unlock that exact control. Our journey begins in the Webflow Navigator. Locate the specific symbol instance you want to unlink. You'll recognize it by the small purple icon next to its name, indicating it's part of a symbol set. Now, with that instance highlighted, right-click it. This action will reveal a context menu with several options. From this menu, you'll see an option that says Unlink. This is your golden ticket to design freedom. Click on Unlink. Webflow will present a confirmation dialog box, asking if you're absolutely sure you want to break the connection. This is your final chance to back out. If you're ready to proceed, click Unlink again. And just like that, the connection is broken. Notice how the purple icon is gone. This instance is now a standalone element, completely independent of the original symbol. You can now make any design adjustments you desire to this specific instance. A circumflex euros. Change its text, alter its colors, add or remove elements. A circumflex euros, without impacting the main symbol or any other instances connected to it. This powerful technique gives you granular control, allowing you to manage your designs with ultimate precision. Happy designing!